Hello viewers, today I'm going to talk about how to produce visible brush strokes in Photoshop with just a touch of color dynamics. For you have to just take a brush and just paint over on it. So you can see it is an artwork. Obviously so many colors are added in here, and on the other hand, if you check this plant, you can see that it has also so many colors. So we will go and check it about like how to add like a real artwork by using color dynamics. Okay, then first of all, what we need to do, so I'm going to edit this one. Okay, so I just want this place, it's like I'm going to tell, I just want this place to be green, just to be painted like the artwork. Okay, so first of all, what I did was just select the exact place and then go to the color option, and I want this color to be green, a lace green. Okay, so you just will choose a lace green, and the background color would be the deeper green. Okay, then just hit OK. And you just have to go to the brush tool, and you can see this is the brush setting. You can see I have taken 174 the brush, and you can take these kinds of brush from your own Photoshop, from your own collection. So I have just selected the shape dynamics and texture dual brush, and there will be no noise and no build up option. So kindly you should unselect the noise and the build up. So smoothing is okay, and just this is the main part. You just have to remember, select the color dynamic. So the foreground and background color, you just gotta be choosing pen pressure. And pen pressure, when you will use, if you were on tablet or using Mac, then you may use this pen pressure. Okay, then these all are okay, and we have this just our option, and you must check it, apply per theme. Okay, we are done. Let's close this. So first of all, you need to do, you may, like if you are on tab, you could have just make this brush bigger or lesser by using pen. But if you are on PC or laptop, you just have to do it with mouse, obviously. So for this, you have a little shortcut keyboard like the bracket, first bracket key. Okay, so I'm going to use it. Let's hit OK, and you can see I'm just pressing it. You can see the color, right? It's a little bit, it's too much. Okay, now you can see. So you just have to change the foreground color to background. So for this, what you need to do, just to hit OK to the keyboard X, and you can see the color. Okay, so this is how you just gotta be working, and you just have to play with the opacity and the flow, make it less, make it bigger, and so this is how you can make it like work of artwork. So you can see I'm just working on it, and it's easier to do it. And let's just Ctrl D click for deselecting it. Now we can see it's closer to the artwork. You can see this is how easily we can do artwork, or to look like the artwork by using color dynamic. Thank you. Thanks for watching.